Are you getting married in a barn? Here's how to decorate your wedding venue. Dried flowers and cupcake displays make rustic, gorgeous centerpieces. Writing the wedding day itinerary on a palette in chalk or attaching Polaroid pictures of the couple to a pinboard add personality to your venue at a pretty small cost. We also love hiring vintage furniture or games equipment like cricket bats to help guests get to know one another. It doesn't have to be cricket, just the couple's favourite sport. Fairy lights and floral table decorations are rustic ways to soften the venue and maximise on your colour palette through napkins, glassware and cutlery. If you want to make your barn venue more dreamy and romantic, just add fairy lights. It's such an easy hack. And of course, a cocktail bar always goes down a treat. Plenty of barns offer lots of outside space, so make the most of it with extra seating and maybe even a food van to arrive at midnight. It's perfect for summer. Of course, weddings are all about love, and we love things like this light-up sign. It's an easy way to make a venue feel more rustic. If your budget allows, you could even splash out on a sign spelling out the couple's names. But for something a little more elegant, why don't you try matching the glassware to the theme of your wedding? We also love edible drinks toppers, especially when they're personalised. You could customise them with a date of your wedding, or with the names of the happy couple. Finally, sparklers are an affordable way to add some magic to the night.